Welcome back to our PCOD series. In this video, we will understand what might be the root cause of PCOD. Let's break it down. PCOD is often an imbalance in our body's internal system. According to Ayurveda, any root cause of disease starts with a weakened digestive fire, that is Agni. This might be due to unhealthy diet like processed food, sugars, etc., sedentary lifestyle, stress, poor sleep, lack of physical activity, etc. This weakened digestive fire affects poor nutritional absorption, poor metabolism, toxin buildup, and imbalance in Apan Vata, which is the main energy governing elimination of waste like menstruation and reproductive function. When Apan Vata is imbalanced, it sends negative feedback to hypothalamus pituitary ovarian axis, leading to various symptoms of PCOD. Think of it like a domino effect. A strong digestive fire is essential for overall well-being. In next video, we will understand the symptoms of PCOD. Thank you.